This is the first wedding at Mountain River Family Campground. There's the groom, Boone. There's one of the bridesmaids, Bonnie. All right, there goes another bridesmaid, Ginger. Oh, here comes the bride. Walk slower. Whistle, you're very excited. You want me to stop the music?
No, we're good. Ready? Dearly beloved, we're gathered here today at the always beautiful Mountain River Family Campground in Newland to join two families, the Fletchers and the Roses. It looks like there's two dogs, but believe me, they share one heart. Do y'all believe in love at first sniff? Because I do. And so do they.
Oh, Ginger's excited.
You wouldn't believe this is the only second time they've seen each other for the love they share.
Bella, here.
Bella, you're not getting married. Come here. Bella.
Now, Boone, if you want this marriage to work, you gotta let her walk through the door first.
Okay.
And let her eat first, trust me, okay? Whistle, whistle. He's gonna be a big old goober, but he loves you, and he's gonna knock you down here and there, okay? With just some advice. Is there anyone that objects to these two lovebirds getting married?
No.
Whistle.
Whistle. Good girl.
Necklaces. Who put them on them? Oh, you did. Good. Whistle, Lucy Fletcher. Do you take Boone to be your lawful wedded doggy husband? All right. Boonathan Odell Rose. Do you take Whistle to be your lawful wedded doggy wife? With the power invested in me, I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Boone and Whistle Rose. You may sniff your bride.
Say hi.
Oh,
Say hi, sweetie.
that's special.
All right, it's time for pup cups.
Time for the party.
Pup cup. Get the pup cup. No, get the pup cup. I want a pup cup. No Oreos for you. This is not